In case of forgotten password, you may require password reset through the link Forgotten Password. In the next window, enter the Teams code and then press Reset Password. You will receive a message on your email through which the password could be reset. The Reset Password link opens a new window in which a new password needs to be set and confirmed. Then click on Reset Password. Password is successfully reset. If your team has not entered an email, first click on Forgotten Password, provide your team's code, and click on Reset Password. Your teacher will get a notification and will generate and provide you with a secret code. Once you get the secret code, enter it here. First, provide the code of your team and then enter the secret code provided by the teacher. Click on Reset Password. Now you will have to enter a new password, confirm it, and then click on Reset Password. The password is successfully reset now.